Ay, mali, Ethan. Doon ka, Ethan. Ay, doon siya sa kabila. Saan?
Emon, you next. Okay, Emon against Tion. Tion on your feet. Up on your feet. Ready, on your toes, on your toes. The ball starts with me, Midi. Midi, ball with me. The ball always starts with me. Ready. Ready, and play. Midi. One, catch your score. Nice one, go get the ball back, good. Go, look at the cones. Look at the cones, very good. Catch your score. Play on, play. Catch your score. Out. Go. Other way, turn. Let you turn, Emma. Other way. Other way. Outside, go with Coach Shai. Outside, go here. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Block. Na-record ko. One more. Ayan. Pa! Galing yan. Hindi niya nakasama yung matatanda na tumalo sa kanila.
Sa kabila ata. Hindi, ito.
Malalaki yung kahapon.
Hindi, pero magaling yung makot niya. Nakawat na yun.
Outside, go with Coach Shai.
Ethan, shoot there.
Kick, Ethan!
Shoot ko na. Sabi, takbuhan yun.
Dito lang.
Ethan, Ethan, go! Go!
Kick!
Go!
Ethan! Ay, babe.
Out.
Alam mo ba ang professional? Kaya ano, baby?
Ethan, go!
Kaya hindi namin dalawang game hindi namin tatapusin. Baka maboring sila eh.
Oo, hinintay mo sila. Ay,
Paano yung meeting mamaya?
okay, fine. Ah! Outside.
Go it!
Go, 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 et. Go, Ethan, go!
It's okay, go. Go
Go
it!
here, Ethan, run! Kalaban pala sa ni Easy.
Nice, good save, very good. Play.
Ay, yung goalkeeper, pwedeng
Yes,
humawak sa manipa.
Nice go.
Si kaninong score yun?
Kanila. Tuturo. Wati na mo. Talaga aggressive ka lang. Parang alam mo, totoo eh.
Patay na si Misiba, babe.
Out na eh.
Ah,
Hindi pa pala.
hindi nga.
Out.
Outside, ball here.
Si Ethan nauna agad.
Oh, tinan mo sinasadya niya na yung magpadaos-dos ng ganun.
Eh, siyempre, ganun yan sa TV.
Yan.
Alam niya na eh. Yung mga nag-sliding kick.
Magbabas. Oh no! Wala.
Outside, last ball. Last ball. No hands, no hands.
Ah!
Babe,
Kick, Ethan!
Outside, ball here, let's go. Ball with Coach
alam niya na.
Shai.
Alam niya na, gitna agad. Reset.
No hands, no hands.
Ganun din mo sa pro.
Hands.
Hindi na hinahabol yung bolang outside.
Pag outside na, outside na. Ah!
Kanino?
Ah, doon na sila, Ethan. Doon na sila sushoot.
Nag-goal na pala. Pwede. Jumping jacks mo. Mga video na ako eh.
Start.
Ayun.
Go! Yes! Outside! Forward, go shy! No hands, no hands! Nice, Miguel!
Pwede, di ba? Pwede ulo. Pwede bewang.
Score, Miguel! Yes!
Yes!
Score! 1-1.
Ang galing yung si Miguel. Focus na siya. Oh, tinan mo. Ito mo. Sinasadya.
Eh, nasa TV eh.
Good! Go, AC! Go!
Run, Toby!
Run, go, Toby!
Go, Ethan! Go, kick! Ethan! Help! Help! Ethan! Puro kahiga.
Nice! Score! Score!
Nice, Kian!
Good pass, nice try! Ball with, Coach Shai!
Si Kylian pala yung kakampi. Kylian Mbappe.
Toby, go! Run! Pasa mo!
Kick, Ethan! Ah, lumampas.
Oo, na-control niya, nakita mo?
Can you score? Can you score?
Ah!